Okay, we're live. Welcome to our AV community meeting and new members meeting as well. In here, it's me, João, and Mike. Is that right?
Yes.
Cool. As I was saying to Mike, nobody talked much about what they wanted to talk. Like, there was no agenda for today. There was no topics. And Mike is new to AV, so welcome.
Thanks.
Cool. So, yeah, I'm sure you have a lot of questions and want to know everything that we do here. So tell us a little bit about you.
Okay. I'm trying to get into these. I've been doing a little bit of Python and a little bit of JavaScript, a little bit of yeah. I've just been here and there really with the learning stuff, .NET as well. And I saw this as an opportunity to get maybe to do pair programming with someone, or I was reading somewhere, the summer I saw that this could get me an opportunity to do pair programming with someone and actually solve some real world tasks. So I got interested and just joined, and now expecting to get down to learning a lot. Yes.
Cool. That's awesome. So basically, that's what we do here in Agile.
Yeah.
Usually on this meeting, we talk about what's happening on the community, and we also try to all the new people that just joined the Agile Ventures should join us in this meeting that happens every Monday at 12:30 EST time, and we talk about the community and we answer all the questions that people might have and whatnot. Usually this meeting is run by Sam. Sam is on holiday today. He's on vacation this week, so he will be off the full week. Nevertheless, the community is still running. So as you mentioned, you joined AV. So we are a community that try to teach by doing, make people learn how to develop software with real projects, and by helping nonprofits that are all around the world and that basically have pretty interesting projects. And we have projects in now a bunch of different languages and so on. So yeah, that's
it's not just purely Ruby.
No. It's not. It's yeah. That's something that we've been trying to get more people interested in, because also this also it's very focused on the people that are part of the community, right? So when people come in and they want to learn Ruby, they learn Ruby and they do Ruby on Rails. So we have a bunch of projects in Ruby on Rails, but we have also other projects. We have a data mining project. We have a Ethereum project. We have the project that I'm in has Ruby and Java. We have the data mining, I think it's in Python. We have, I think, I'm not 100% sure if we really have or if we're trying to have an Elixir project with Elixir framework. And we have so many projects at this point, and I'm not 100% sure how active they all are, but there are a lot of activity all around. But yes, the main core of the projects are written in Ruby on Rails. So, yeah. But it's up to you if you want to learn something different, or if you want to learn Ruby on Rails. There are projects. If you want to learn something completely different, there are projects. And if you have an idea for a project, you can also come to us and tell us, oh, I have this idea for a project that I would like to develop. What do y'all think? And we will create a project and try to ramp you up. So it's the community. We are in a process of getting some more contracts and do new things. different things. And but the majority of the projects that we currently have are projects that came from members that joined and said, "Oh, I have like this idea for a project, and I'd like to do that." So yeah, we try to make people at home so they can do what they like, and they can learn using the tools that they like.
Okay.
So yeah,
Sounds nice.
it's pretty nice. And in the meanwhile, we learn how to TDD, and using pair programming, you can learn how to work with other people and so on. So it's pretty cool.
Nice. Very exciting.
Yeah. Do you have any question? Is there anything that's on your mind that you'd like to know?
I'll just go. Like you've said, you have a number of projects. I'll assume that there's a place where I'll get. I think I already saw them. A list of all of them.
Yeah.
So I think what one could do is just to pick one and start getting dirty with it. Or do you need other permissions also?
No, you don't need permissions. Like everything is open. So let me just. I'm gonna share my screen. So there we go. That's my screen. Can you see my screen?
It's still loading. Yes, I can.
Yeah, cool. So this is the Agile Ventures website, and we underneath projects, we do have a list of all our projects that we have, and I think they are not all here, but the current ones that have people developing on them. And also the list of projects is ordered by last commit. So basically, the one that had the latest commit was this one. But like all these projects that are around are the majority of them are active. So like if you go into the top 3 pages, top 4 pages, I think you'll find some projects there. So yeah, it depends on what you want, like, because this is not only the it's not only just learn anything. It would be the ideal situation would be if you'd learn to develop this while doing something that you like. So that's also something that you need to. Yes, I want to learn how to develop, but at the same time, I have an interest in, I don't know.
Yeah, I was just yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking. If you have maybe an interest in healthcare or maybe education, so you'll get projects that are like pipelined towards healthcare.
Healthcare specifically, I think we had something. We do have a project with NHS, the British Health Department, and but it's more focused. It's not really development. It's more DevOpsy project where we help maintain. I think it's a media wiki, if I'm not mistaken. Wiki that has like a bunch of information and so on. But in terms of education, on the education side, we have this AutoGrader project here that basically it's, I'm not sure how active this is or not, but basically this project allows some of our Berkeley courses. We do have in with the help of Berkeley, we are helping Berkeley University to let's have one MOOC that exists like in EDX, and we are helping the university being teaching assistants and helping out the alumni that are there that want to learn more. And this is part of it, where we create the AutoGraders that will grade your jobs for your projects. And Let me see if we do. I don't know what this LTU is. Okay, never saw this. So it's pretty interesting. I don't remember the last time I scavenged through the project list. Yeah, it's about losing weight. I don't think I ever saw anything from this project, but apparently it's active. There we have UpDoc. This is like documentation. Creating an environment where doctors and patients can interact. Apparently not. There you go, an healthcare management system. It looks like it's pretty new. It was created like a month ago.
Okay.
And yeah, so they usually if this is something that interests you, I don't know, usually you can come here, you can take a look at documentation. They have like presentations, and they can show you like, this is, I think, the issue tracker. It's Pivotal Tracker. Yeah. So there's like some things there. But my advice to you would be to go into, usually there's like a block. Oh, there's nothing there. I don't know then. Fuck. No. I don't know. We can always ask on the general channel to see who's there, who's creating that project and so on. But like usually when you come here into like the new members and you present yourself, we usually provide a list of projects that are active. Okay, there you go. So this was last, when was that? On the 20th of March. And these are like the projects that are more active at this point. And as you can see, like the majority of the projects, in fact, are Ruby on Rails. But some of the projects do have like this JavaScript. This uses middleman, so it's just JavaScript. Node, Ruby. This one is really Ruby. It's not Ruby on Rails. And then we have this one in Elixir and React. And this one is our Ethereum that is being developed in Elm, and the Python one in data mining. So you can come here and just ask, oh, can someone tell me what are the new projects, or even come in general and just do that. Or if you want to, I'm not sure like which time zone you are in, but
I'm in East Africa.
East Africa. Okay, cool. So like usually that's like last. Oh my god, it's like almost nighttime there, right? So this is
it's actually 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Yeah, that's quite far away. So, but you can see here. Okay, like don't completely disregard the times. When you go here, you can see the times in your time zone. Currently, these are times in the east coast of the US. So but like the best place for you to hook up and get people and talk to people are these scrums that happen during the day. Usually they happen very early for me, so you're 8 hours in front of me, so this would be around what, 12 your time? And then there's also the Kentback that's at 11. That's like 3 hours later, 4 hours later. And yeah, the best option is always to try to go into any of these scrums and talk to people and see what they are doing and what's happening. And you can see like all the events you can see them here on the upcoming events, but also when you refresh the page, it will tell you what's the next event. So you're aware of what's happening.
Okay, nice.
Cool. Looks like Steven joined us. Hello. So yeah, do you have any more questions about Agile Ventures?
I think I've read pretty much. of the website, and with the few things that you've shown, I think the best thing will be maybe if maybe I get to need anything, I'll go to the general channel and maybe post, and yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, and I think that's basically it for now.
Okay, cool. So Stephen is saying that he's in a noisy place. If you have any question for us, you can just type it on the chat, and I can try to answer it to you.
Okay.
But yeah, Mike. That's usually like we try to work as much as possible with other people and try to give them as much support as they need. And so if you just ask, we have people like almost everywhere in almost all the time zones. So I'm quite sure that whenever you're in and say, oh, I'd like to pair on something, and is there any project that needs someone, you can just pop in.
Okay.
Cool. So yeah. So yep, that's that. I don't know if anyone have like any more questions or like to know anything else. And yep. Okay. So Stephen is saying that he will read more. So yeah, welcome both to Agile Ventures. Just if you have any question, you can reach out directly to me. And just saying hi or something, or if you need any direction or something like that, or if not, if someone else will, I'm quite sure will welcome you. And if you have any question there, you can post it on the chat. You can jump into Scrums and talk to people and see what's happening. So
yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Cool. So
Okay.
if no one have anything, so I'll see you later.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.